The 3 days forum was officially opened by Prime Minister James Marape and the Minister for National Planning, Sir Anopala, today. The Executive Officer for Consultative Implementation and the Monitoring Council elaborated on the importance of such forums.
The CFC provides other avenues for such consultations, which are through the CFC Council meetings, sector committees, and subcommittees, as well as through supportive action-oriented research. This does open up a two-way communication process between government, private sector, and civil society. In particular, the forums provide opportunities for public education on important policies and plans to enhance wider public understanding.
She said to engage authorities to actually take part in such discussions and give their side of the story of the office they manage gives a sense of mutuality, belonging, and empowerment to the citizens. She said to engage authorities to actually take part in such discussions and give their side of the story of the office they manage gives a sense of mutuality, belonging, and empowerment to the citizens. While addressing the forum, Prime Minister said this consultation must give strong recommendations on judicial independence.
These consultations must recommend strongly how to entrench judicial independence, and in that judicial independence, judicial accountability. Chief Justice got 10 years. So in the restructure we're doing, I want this independent forum, because when government does a reform, there's always a view of political element into this. This body, the important body, must look into judiciary, so the judiciary is strengthened, the independence is anchored, and the vitality and functionality is given.
He strongly called on the forum to look into the different parts that the stakeholders play as far as law and order is concerned.
Role of community and what is the relevant laws that could be passed. I need this forum to inform us on what is the role of community, what are relevant laws that we must pass, what is the work of police, what is the work of court, what is the work of churches. There's a great role as far as community engagement is concerned, and let's define what is the role of community. For me, to my people, my country, I just put to you that community, your number one role to your country, if you do not know, is keeping law, as simple as this. Keeping law, number one work. You're expecting Prime Minister to work 18 hours a day, non-stop. Your job is to really keep the law.
The Minister for Planning, while giving his address, said law and order should be put into school curriculum to instill values of justice, of civic responsibilities into the future generation. The event will see prominent figures giving their view on the law and order issues and of the office they represent in the next 2 days. Samantha Solomon, National MTV News.